In 1912, Titanic sailed as modern perfection. People called it safe and believed it. Confidence spread faster than caution. Calm water can hide sharp facts. Overconfidence always starts quietly.
Luxury creates trust, even when risk remains. New technology can look like certainty. When everyone relaxes, doubt feels rude. Comfort turns into a decision. That is how warnings get ignored.
Status changes behavior before facts ever change. Prestige makes people lean in. The story becomes part of the purchase. Pride can outvote caution. Confidence becomes contagious on a calm night.
Speed feels normal when nothing goes wrong. Small choices compound in the background. Routine can hide urgency. That is how risk accelerates quietly. The night keeps moving, regardless.
The crowd arrives when danger feels far away. Daily comfort becomes evidence of safety. Noise gets louder and signals get quieter. Warnings sound like interruptions. Comfort can make risk invisible. Peak confidence looks like normal life.
Then small signals appear and get minimized. Cold air changes the mood first. The environment starts speaking. Fear enters as a detail, not a headline. Reality does not argue. It arrives.
Then the motion changes, just for a second. Impact can feel quiet at first. Silence becomes the first alarm. Confusion is the first crack in control. After that, the story rewrites itself.
After that, urgency outruns language. People move, even without understanding. Decisions become seconds. The crowd that trusted now scrambles. Belief collapses when reality demands payment.
The ocean stayed calm, and history stayed sharp. Only the certainty disappeared. The lesson is simple and repeats. Confidence is not the same as proof. What do you trust that has never been tested?